Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 best pre-built PCs you can buy in 2021. So without any further ado, let's get started. So number 5 on the list is the iBuyPower Gaming Mini 9300. The iBuyPower Gaming Mini 9300 is the cheapest PC on this list, coming in at around $600, and it is a great starting option for anyone who wants to game and edit. I've done a full video on it and was actually surprised at how decent it was for the current PC market, and you can check that out on my channel. The case on the iBuyPower Mini is a smaller case with RGB and a glass side panel. It looks premium with a gaming look, and personally, I like that it is smaller than most cases. Port selection and input is sufficient for most needs, but it is missing things like a Type-C port, which is a bit of a letdown. The specs on this include an AMD Ryzen 3 3100 processor, 8GB of RAM, a 240GB SSD, and the AMD Radeon RX 550. These specs are good for the price, as you get a Ryzen 3 processor along with an RX 550, which in combination allows you to play most games at playable FPS at 720p and esports games at 1080p at high FPS. Overall, as an entry-level PC, this is very good, and for gaming and editing at 1080p, this is a perfect option to go for. Number 4 on the list is the HP Pavilion Gaming PC. The HP Pavilion Gaming PC is where you'll be able to play almost every game at 1080p with good settings and high FPS. Its case is a really different one from regular gaming PCs, as it has a much more subtle approach with gaming accents on it. It has a grille textured finish that looks nice with a single colored LED on the bottom. It does match with the aesthetic, and even though it's not flashy, it does its job well of looking pleasing whilst not standing out. One thing that is massively better than most gaming PCs is the abundance of ports on the front. You get 4 USB ports along with an SD card slot and a Type-C port. The specs on this include an AMD Ryzen 5 3500 CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB PCIe SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Super. Here, games run smoothly without lag and slowdown. You should be able to edit at higher resolutions, and it is a good value gaming PC at this time. So number 3 on the list is the Skytech Archangel. The Skytech Archangel is one of the best looking pre-built PCs I've seen, with a nice white look with RGB. It has a very boxy shape, but there is an RGB LED strip on the front that is the main looker for this. You even get a side panel with RGB on the inside too, and it looks really clean with good cable management. There are multiple fans on the inside, all with LED lighting, and they make the PC run cool and quiet. The specs on this include an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 500GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660. This is a slight step up over the previous PC and runs games at high settings at 1080p. It does a thermal throttle as well and runs at the desired clock speeds. Number 2 on the list is the HP Pavilion TP01. The HP Pavilion TP01 is the best editing and designing PC, as it offers the most amount of CPU performance for the lowest price. This PC is the only one that has a very minimalist case with no RGB at all. It has a plain look with a textured stripe pattern and a smaller than usual form factor. It fits in every situation, and if you want something that doesn't stand out, this is the best on this list. Port selection is the same as the other HP PC, and it offers 4 USB ports, a USB-C port, an SD card reader, a headphone microphone combo jack, and a DVD drive on the front. The specs on this are some of the best on this list, including a AMD Ryzen 7 3700X CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and the AMD Radeon RX 550. In terms of gaming, you'll be looking at performance similar to the iBuyPower, but if you want to edit and use applications where the CPU is the main component, this will perform much better. Thermals are passable, and it stays cool and quiet most of the times, but I would recommend you to not really overclock anything on this, as the fan intakes and outtakes aren't large. So number 1 on the list is the CyberPower Gamer Extreme. The CyberPower Gamer Extreme is easily the best pre-built gaming PC you can buy for under $1000. It is the best in gaming performance on this list with a GTX 1660 Super GPU and has a really good case. The case is a unique one with a unique pattern on the front glass where you'll be able to find 3 RGB fans that you can customize. There is also a glass side panel, and there is also another RGB fan on the inside. It lights up brightly and has a lot of space on the inside for additional upgrades. Ports and input are also good, but unlike the HP PCs, you'll find that most of its ports are on the back. You even get a keyboard and mouse with this, which are possible as entry options. The specs on this include an Intel Core i5-10400F CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 500GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660 Super. This is a PC that is powerful enough for streaming as well, and for a new content creator, I feel like it is a good starting option. Overall, as a whole package, this certainly provides the best performance out of the competitive PC market right now and works really well. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.